Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing perfect and enjoying your school life too. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is rocks and minerals. Stepping up, rocks and their types, minerals and their uses, gemstones. So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about rocks and about their types, how many types of rocks are there, and about minerals and their uses, and about जेमस्टोन्स. इस चैप्टर में हम रॉक्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं, उनके टाइप्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं कि कितने टाइप्स की रॉक्स होती हैं, मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं, उनको कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ किया जाता है, और जेमस्टोन्स के बारे में भी हम जानेंगे जो हमें ज़मीन के अंदर खोदने पे मिलते हैं. लेकिन पहले हम एक एक्टिविटी कर लेते हैं. एंगेज, आइडेंटिफाई एंड नेम दीज फेमस बिल्डिंग्स एंड मॉन्यूमेंट्स फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. So children, some pictures are given here and you have to identify these buildings and you have to just name them. So you can see the first picture, it is of Statue of Liberty. So you will write Statue of Liberty, which is situated or located in New York. Next picture is of Taj Mahal, it is in India. So you will write Taj Mahal here. And next picture is of Egypt, the pyramids. So you will write pyramids here. Next picture is of the Great Wall of China. It is in China. And do you know about this? It is visible from the moon also. So you will write the Great Wall of China. So look at next picture. It is the treasury, and look at last picture. It is Colosseum, which is in Rome. सो चिल्ड्रन, आपको यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं, कुछ फेमस बिल्डिंग्स के बारे में यहाँ पे आपको बताया गया है. आपको उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उनके नाम लिखना है. जैसे कि पहला जो है ये है स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी, दूसरा है ताजमहल, ये इंडिया में है, तीसरा है पिरामिड्स जो कि इजिप्ट में है, चौथा आप देख पा रहे हैं ये है द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना. ये वॉल जो है ये मून से भी नज़र आती है. एंड फोर्थ है बच्चों द ट्रेजरी, ये जॉर्डन में है. एंड लास्ट वन इज़ Colosseum. Now let's move forward. These building structures are made of rocks and minerals. Let us learn about them. So all these monuments are made up of hard rocks. So we are basically discussing about rocks in this chapter. Rocks. Our earth is made up of big and hard stones called the rocks. Rocks are found under the soil and at the bottom of the rivers. The hills and the mountains are also made up of rocks. Rocks found on the earth are of different types and colors. Rocks can be divided into hard rocks and soft rocks. So rocks you see there are everywhere. They are big and hard stones, and these are of two types, hard rocks and soft rocks. अर्थ के अंदर की तरफ या बाहर कह लो बहुत सारी बिग या बड़ी बड़ी साइज़ की क्या होती हैं, डिफरेंट साइज़ की हमें रॉक्स देखने को मिलती है. इवन आप जो रिवर साइड्स होती हैं वहाँ पे भी आपको कई तरह की रॉक्स देखने को मिल जाती है. रॉक्स दो तरह की होती हैं, एक होती है हार्ड रॉक्स एंड दूसरी होती है सॉफ्ट रॉक्स. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स. देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स. सम रॉक्स आर हार्ड while others are soft. Hard rocks such as marble, granite and sandstone are very hard. Marble is used to build monuments, statues, buildings and floors. The Taj Mahal in Agra and the Lotus Temple in New Delhi are made up of white marble. So these are the example of hard rocks. Now marble rocks are found in the Narmada River in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Granite is used to make floor tiles. Some rocks are hard but not as hard as marble or granite. For example, red sandstone. The Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. So these are so hard that these materials or these kind of rocks are used in making floors and houses, etc. The Red Fort, which is situated in Delhi, is made up of red sandstone. हार्ड रॉक के आपके एग्जाम्पल हैं बच्चों मार्बल, ठीक है, ग्रेनाइट, ये काफ़ी हार्ड रॉक्स मानी जाती हैं और ज़्यादातर मार्बल रॉक जो है ये नर्मदा नदी में पाई जाती है जो कि जबलपुर मध्य प्रदेश में है. ज़्यादातर जो ये हार्ड रॉक्स होती हैं ये इतनी हार्ड होती हैं कि इनको जैसे घर बनाने में, फ्लोर बनाने में यूज़ किया जाता है. और रेड स्टोन जो है, रेड सैंडस्टोन, ये भी इसी का एग्जाम्पल है जिससे जो दिल्ली का लाल किला है वो बना है. Second is soft rocks. Rocks such as coal, chalk and slates are soft. Coal is a soft rock. It is black in color. It is used for cooking in households and in factories. Earlier was used in steam engines to run trains. So these are the examples of soft rocks. What are these? These are coal, chalk and slates. These are soft rocks. These are so soft that you can't use them in building houses and other things. So basically you use them for cooking in household and in factories. जो सॉफ्ट रॉक्स होती हैं ये ज़्यादातर क्या कहलाती है, सॉफ्ट कहलाती है. इनका जो टेक्सचर होता है वो सॉफ्ट होता है. तो इनको आप कुकिंग में यूज़ करते हो, जैसे कोल वगैरह है कुकिंग में यूज़ करते हैं. चॉक वगैरह काम आती है आपका बोर्ड वगैरह में लिखने के लिए. Chalk is a kind of soft white rock. It is used to write on blackboard in school. Slate is also a grey colored soft rock. Slate is used for making writing slates. Some example use slate to make the roof of their homes. Limestone is also very soft and brittle. It is used to make cements. So these are the soft rocks which we use in different activities. The lid of the pencils with which you write is made of graphite. Now take break. Focus attention base. Match the following columns. Granite. So granite is made up of a red Ford. Graphite is you use in pencil leads. Chalk is white in color and sandstone. These are floor tiles. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों आपको कुछ कॉलम दिए गए हैं. इन कॉलम्स को आपको आपस में क्या करना है, मैच करना है. जैसे ग्रेनाइट जिससे आपका रेड फोर्ड बना है. ग्रेफाइट जो आपके पेंसिल लीड में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. चॉक वाइट कलर की होती है एंड सैंडस्टोन आपका फ्लोर टाइल्स में यूज़ किया जाता है. Now minerals and their uses. Rocks are usually made up of minerals. Minerals are useful for us in many ways. Minerals are obtained from rocks. The process by which minerals are obtained from underground is called mining. So children, mining is the process by which we obtain the minerals from the rocks. मिनरल्स जो होते हैं ये आपके रॉक्स के अंदर से हमें मिलते हैं, या यूँ कह लो रॉक्स जो होती हैं ये मिनरल से बनी हुई होती हैं. तो इनको एक तरीके से उससे निकाला जाता है, अलग किया जाता है, जिस प्रोसेस को हम माइनिंग कहते हैं. Diamond is the hardest mineral. It is a precious mineral and is used mostly in making of jewelry items. It is also used to cut glass. So diamond is considered as the hardest material and it is very precious. We make ज्वेलरीज फ्रॉम डायमंड. तो मिनरल्स में सबसे हार्डेस्ट जो मिनरल होता है वो डायमंड होता है और ये हार्डेस्ट मिनरल भी माना जाता है और काफ़ी प्रेशियस भी माना जाता है. आपने देखा ही होगा इससे ज्वेलरीज वगैरह बनाई जाती हैं. Now do you know there are around 4,000 minerals available on the earth. So this information is very important. You must remember it. Talcum powder is made from a soft mineral called talc. Iron and copper that we use commonly are also minerals. Iron is used in construction of buildings and bridges. It is also used in making tools of various types. Electric wires used in our houses are mostly made of copper. Silica is another mineral which is used to make glasses. So there are many minerals or some kind of minerals are given here. Talc, which is used in making talcum powder. Iron and coppers are also minerals and silica is another kind of a mineral which you use to make glass. तो टैल्क जो होता है ये एक तरह का मिनरल ही होता है जिससे आपके जो टैल्कम पाउडर होता है जो आप अपनी बॉडी में लगाते हो वो बनाया जाता है. आयरन और कॉपर भी जो है ये भी मिनरल्स ही माने जाते हैं जिनसे ब्रिजेस वगैरह बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह बनाई जाती हैं. सिलिका भी एक तरह का आपका मिनरल है जो कि जो ग्लास वगैरह होता है जिससे वो बनाया जाता है. Now gemstones. What are gemstones, children? Gemstones are minerals that are cut in different shapes and sizes and then polished to make them shine. Gemstones are used to make jewelry. Diamond, ruby, emerald and garnet are some well-known gemstones. So now we will talk about gemstones. These are precious rocks or you can say minerals and they have some kind of shine and you use them in making jewelries etc. So diamond, ruby, emerald are the example of gemstones. जेमस्टोन्स के बारे में बच्चों आपने सुना ही होगा, ठीक है। इनकी पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे दी गई हैं। ये एक तरह का क्या होते हैं, मिनरल्स होते हैं और ये खुदाई के बाद ही निकलते हैं। बहुत सारे पत्थरों के अंदर ये होते हैं, उनको तोड़ के इन्हें निकाला जाता है। ये काफ़ी प्रेशस होते हैं। इनमें एक तरह का क्या होता है, शाइन होता है, लस्टर होता है, जिससे हम ज्वेलरीज वगैरह बनाते हैं। Now chapter cover up. Rocks are of two types, hard rocks and soft rocks. Granite, marble and sandstones are the examples of hard rock. Coal, chalk, clay and graphite are the examples of soft rocks. Minerals are of different shapes, sizes and color. Diamond is the hardest mineral. Gemstones are minerals that are mostly used to make jewelry. So children, in this chapter we have learned about rocks, two types of rocks. What are these? One is hard rock and second one is soft rock. So these are the example of hard rocks, granite, marble, sandstone, and these are the example of soft rock, coal, chalk, clay, graphite, etc. Also we have learned about minerals and about diamond, which is the hardest mineral, and about also gemstone, which we find under the ground. इस चैप्टर में हमने बच्चों रॉक्स के बारे में पढ़ा, दो तरह की रॉक्स के बारे में पढ़ा, ठीक है। मिनरल्स के बारे में जाना, मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं। डायमंड भी क्या आपको पता है कि एक तरह का मिनरल्स ही होता है, और जेमस्टोन्स भी जो है ये भी मिनरल होते हैं, जिनमें अपनी एक क्या होती है, शाइन होती है। Now think and answer based on NEP 2020. A. Tick the correct answer. The Red Fort in Delhi is made up of this stone. Tell me children, is it marble, is it sandstone or is it slate? So the Red Fort in Delhi is made up of sandstone. So you will tick the B option. Second, which type of substance is talc? A. Soft rock, B. Hard mineral or C. Soft mineral. So it is a kind of soft mineral which we use to make talcum powder. Talc जो है ये आपका soft mineral होता है, जिससे हम talcum powder बनाते हैं. Now third, to which category does emerald belong? A. Soft rock, B. Mineral or C. Gemstone. So it is coming in gemstone category. Fourth, it is a kind of soft white rock. What is it? Is it chalk? Is it slate or is it limestone? So it is chalk because it is white in color. So you will tick option A. Fifth, which of the following is the hardest mineral? Option A, diamond. Option B, coal. Option C, marble. So can you guess it? Which is among these hardest mineral? Yes, it is a diamond. Now B, fill in the blanks. The Taj Mahal is made up of, tell me children, it is made up of marble, जिसे हम संगमरमर भी कहते हैं. Second, the Red Fort in Delhi is made up of what? Sandstone. Third, coal is used as fuel in cooking. Now fourth, dash is the hardest mineral. We just have read about this. It is diamond. Diamond is the hardest mineral and it is very precious. Now fifth, dash is a grey colored soft rock. So it is slate. You will write slate here. Now C, state whether the following statements are true or false. Our earth is made up of different types of rocks. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Our earth is made up of different types of rocks. There are so many rocks which are different in size, different in shape, different in color and texture. Now second, talc is used to make jewelry. Is it true? No, talc is used to make talcum powder. So you will write false here. Diamond, ruby, emerald and garnet are some well-known gemstones. Yes, it is true. They are the example of gemstones. Now fourth, slate is used for making a writing slate. Yes, it is true. Fifth, limestone is used to make gemstones. Is it true? No, it's not true. So you will write false here. Now come to next point, which is answer the following questions. Define rocks. What are different types of rocks? So you have to define rock. What is rock? Rock is a very hard substance which is found on the earth, and there are two types of rock, hard rock and soft rock. Second, what do you know about hard rock? So hard rock are very hard in texture and they are big in size. They are very hard like marble, granite, etc. And we use them to make tiles on the floor. Now third, define soft rock. Give examples of it. So soft rocks are soft in texture. They are very soft, which you use in cooking, like coal, charcoal, etc. Fourth, what are minerals? Write their uses. So you have to define minerals. Minerals are obtained from the rocks, and about their uses, like a diamond. Diamond is the hardest mineral and you use them for making jewelry. Fifth, what are gemstones? Give any 3 examples. So gemstones are minerals that are cut in different shapes and sizes and then polished to make them shine. Gemstones are used to make jewelry. Diamond, ruby, emerald and garnet are some well-known gemstones. Now come to next point, out of the box, critical thinking. Why can't we use chalk to make pencils? You have to tell the reason. Why can't you use chalk to make pencils? हम पेंसिल में चौक का इस्तेमाल क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्योंकि पेंसिल से हम किस पे लिखते हैं? कॉपीज़ में लिखते हैं, और चौक से हम कहाँ पे लिखते हैं? बोर्ड पे लिखते हैं. तो क्या आप चौक को राइटिंग में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, अपनी बुक में या अपनी कॉपी में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? नहीं ना. इसलिए पेंसिल्स बनाने के लिए चौक का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता. Cross-links of physical media development. Find and write the names of places in the world which are the largest producer of the following. Also write where they are used. Minerals, the largest producers, the use of the minerals: gold, copper, silicon, talc, iron. So children, an activity is given here. What you have to do, you have to find the name of those places which are the largest producers of these minerals. So minerals are given here. You have to write the largest producer's name and you have to write the use of those minerals. आपको यहाँ पे एक टेबल दिया गया है. आपको क्या करना है? प्लेसेस के नाम सर्च करने हैं वर्ल्ड के जहाँ पे ये मिनरल्स पाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, मिनरल्स आपको टेबल पे दिए गए, नाम इनके दिए गए. आपको उनकी जगह जहाँ पे उनको प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है उनके नाम लिखने हैं और उन मिनरल्स का आपको यूज लिखना है. So children, I hope you understood the chapter very well. Now you will revise the chapter and practice the given exercise to understand the chapter thoroughly.